money for two right now.
Oh, it makes sense. You have it working. This one works anyway, right?
It works perfectly. It's just that it just lost it.
So what do you do here? You do sales?
Yeah, we do sales.
All right, guys. If you want to buy a car in Phoenix,
Mohammed is the guy.
Muhammad is the guy.
Yes, sir.
Or he could, if you don't want to buy a car, he can at least tape up your key for you.
Yeah, if you need a key, he's the guy.
Yeah.
10 keys.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. So would the remote still work? I really want the remote to work.
Yeah. Does this remote work?
This remote works perfectly.
Really?
Yeah, but it has a bunch of holes in it. I used to put some sticks in there to make it quick.
Right now it doesn't work.
It does work.
Oh, if you take all the tape off.
If you take the tape off and access the buttons.
Now the new one should work fine. How many buttons were on here?
It has 1, 2.
No remote start, right?
It has 4. It has remote start on there.
On here?
Start. Yeah, that's what I was saying. That's why I loved it.
So I have 5.
You have like a cutter so we can take it off?
No, that's okay. I'll show you the key. All right, let's read his key. I didn't like the key. Doesn't like this key. It's annoying when it does that. You can just read it by eye. Let's see. Four, 3, 4. Three, 2, 1, 2. Let's see if we got it. Code not found. Ooh, okay. Seems alright, guys. Maybe that's a 2. Bam. That's how you read a key. Got it. What do you think? Think I read it right?
Is it ready?
It might be.
Yeah.
My machine didn't really like reading your key, so I just read it by eye. I think we're good.
We're good?
Yeah. Let's program it. Oh, it's hot in here.
It is.
I know where the lock light is, but I think it's off at this point. Oh, that's right there. All right, we're done.
Is the remote working? Oh,
He likes
man.
it.
Let's test the part.
All right.
Start.
Oh, the remote start. Here's the other key, so I don't take it.
Oh man, you're the guy, man.
Thank you.
If you needed some keys, hit my guy up, man. Let him get you right, man.
Thank you.